Welcome to today's video where I'll be showing you how to create fake background using the CapCut Pro for free. First, let's open our CapCut app and click on New Project to import the background we are going to be using for this video. We select the background. I downloaded this background from Google, right? So this is what I'm going to be using in today's video. After downloading the background, I will go right ahead to select the video I am going to be using for today's project. And after I do that, I would click the background and move it to the front. Okay, so right now you can see the picture comes first before the video. Now I'll go right ahead to click on the video. After clicking on the video, I'll click on overlay in order to bring the video down. You will see what I mean. As you can see, I clicked on overlay and then the video came down while the picture is on top. Now I will click on the video and stretch it out so that the length of the picture is the same as the length of the video. The next thing I will go ahead and do is to remove BG. BG means background. Okay, so I will look for the remove BG tool right here and then I'll click on it. After clicking on it, I'll click on auto removal and then give it time for it to remove the background. When you get to this point, you will have to be patient because sometimes it can take a little bit of time. Okay, so as you can see, I have removed the background and I will just adjust the frame of the video to the size I want, right? So that is what I am doing right here. The next thing I will do at this point is to click on aspect ratio and click on 16:19. That is the ratio for landscape videos. I mean videos that you want to post on YouTube. You use 16:19 when you are editing, right? I will go ahead and increase the sound of my video because I want it to be loud. At this point, I'm done with removing the background and everything. So now I would screen record my video. So I'll screen record my video from start to finish. But for the purpose of this video, I'm just going to screen record for a bit so that the video is not too long, okay? Please note that as you're screen recording at this point, the volume will be loud because you are going to re-edit this video after recording. At this point, I'm done recording, so I will exit the CapCut app. After exiting the CapCut app, I will go ahead and open a new project on CapCut. Remember that video I screen recorded? Now I will import it back as a new project. The next thing I will do now is to click on aspect ratio and choose 16:9. Once I do this, I will now adjust the size of the video to fit the screen. At this point, you can agree with me that the video looks a little bit blurry. Okay, now we are going to fix that by sharpening up this video. Now I'm going to click on adjust and then select sharpen. As you can see the icon there, sharpen, the triangular icon. Yes, I will click on sharpen and then increase the capacity of the sharpen to 70 because I don't want to over sharpen it. Once you click on the sharpen and click on the check mark, right, this is what the screen is going to look like. Don't panic. All you need to do at this point is to click on aspect ratio to correct this thing, right? Click on aspect ratio, click on 16:9 and adjust the screen back to the size of your layout. That is it. So because of the glitch, I went ahead to sharpen up the video again, because the last time I did it did not work because of that glitch, right? So I went ahead to do it again, and then I also clicked on filter, clicked on movies, and choose one day. I really like that filter. That is the filter I use in all my videos. I click on that filter, I adjust it to 50. That is how I like it, and then I okay it and I export to my phone. Yeah, and that is how I am able to use the CapCut Pro for free. It's going to look a little bit tedious when you're starting out, especially if it's your first time trying. Now, this is the finished product.
I still prefer treasury bills.
So now you don't have any excuse not to create videos. Please bear in mind, if you're trying it out for the first time, it's going to look a little bit overwhelming at first, but don't give up. Try it a couple of times, you will get a hang of it. Yeah, that's all I have for you in this video. I hope you found it helpful. Like and subscribe. I'll see you in my next video. Bye.